Hi kids! Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig, George Pig and Mommy Pig at the fire station. Let's start drawing. I start with Peppa. I draw her nose and the shape of her head. Her 2 ears, one here and one there. Now I draw her eyes. The circle for her cheek and her smiling mouth. Then I draw her arms, her body and her tail. Hey, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Finally, I draw her 2 legs. Now I draw Mommy Pig. I start with her nose and the shape of her head. Then I draw her eyes with eyelashes. A circle for her cheek and her mouth. I draw a firefighter hat on the top of her head. Then I draw her body. And her legs. She's wearing boots. I draw a metal pipe where the firefighters slide down. Peppa wants to hold it. Now let's draw little George. I start with his nose and the shape of his head, his ears, his eyes, a circle for his cheek and his smiling mouth. Then I draw his body, his arms and his legs. He's also on the top of the metal tube. These little pigs are having a lot of fun. I draw a line here for the ground. Great! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I start with Peppa's skin and I use this pink marker. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I color her cheek and her mouth light pink. I use red for her mouth and her dress. Next, I color George Pig. I use pink for his skin. Light pink for the cheek and the mouth. Then I use blue for his dress. Now let's color Mommy Pig. I use pink for her skin. Red for the hat. Light pink for her cheek. And finally, I use light orange for the firefighter dress. Now I use gray for the metal pipes. And bright orange for the floor. I like it! Ruffy the dinosaur needs you. Like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye!